world of ours. Some days stretch like rubber bands, others wide like shooting stars. Elastic hours, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. My moment's forever, the next just a blink. And this elastic time, we sink or swim. Summers lasted years, now seasons change so fast. Time.
Custard cheese. Nih, no. Curry egg donut. Mama ke sini.
Raya.
Kita apa tuh? Pisang. Nih, belakang. Lain baunya penuh mulutnya pas makan. Apa? Sudu. Segar. Dari mana? Dapat belum?
Green tea kami habis, bawa kami pun habis.
Oke, biarlah kosong. Green tea pun habis. Matcha lah, matcha.
Uji matcha?
Ya. Matcha yang biasa tuh. Yang biasa, yang uji matcha dapat. Uji matcha. Bakal kamu tahu sesuatu kakak apa? Udah mati deh. Kenapa juga dia baik? I'm okay. I'm okay. Kayaknya nothing. Cuman udah setipu. Katanya muka aku biar glowing, tapi jadi muka aku. Kagak JJ itu ya kan? JJ lah nih. Astaga. Bodoh ya. Tidak tinggalnya, ditinggalkan diamnya, tidak tinggal.
You got me open and I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. You got me open and I.
this morning I just got back from JNT. I got 3 parcel of my baju raya. So I'm gonna unboxing all these 3 parcel for you guys that I just got from JNT this morning, and I'm gonna show you guys what I buy on TikTok, because TikTok dorang ada buat sale. So my salary dah masuk, so I bought 3 baju raya. Actually I bought 4. The first baju raya, because for this year raya, me and my family, we're gonna go to Selangor. We're gonna celebrate our raya together with my family belah ayah. So our flight will be on 27th of March. Yeah, I think it's 4 or 3 days before raya. In my hand right now, first parcel that I'm gonna unboxing for you guys. Let's see. I bought it from my fave store, Zoe Arisa. I don't know why, but all the clothes from Zoe Arisa is so like me. I mean, like the details, the clothes itself, the texture. Dorang ada pelbagai jenis baju, pelbagai jenis design. So yeah, I fall in love. Even my graduation dress, I bought it from Zoe Arisa store. Really look nice on me, comfortable. Because I kalau nak cari baju, I really nak cari keselesaan first. Then barulah I pergi ke design look. If the design look cantik, but bila you pakai tak selesa pun, it's not worth your money, right? The first baju raya, I think I'm gonna wear this on, I guess, my third raya kot. Sebab this one it's a bit feminine look. I really like soft color. Nowadays I really fall in love with soft color. The name of this clothes called as Darana Kurung, color pink. Since I lost 15 kg in 2 months, my weight already dropped and my size already changed too. So yeah, this is of my baju raya. Look at the details, the design. So the design is really sophisticated look, really soft. Bila pegang, it's so sejuk, it's so lembut, and the design is so simple, the details. But what I fall in love with this design is on the pan dia, it got ribbon at the end of the arm. It has like sulam punya jahitan, and benda ni nampak simple but I really like it. It's so me. Dulu kalau nak diikutkan, I jenis yang cari baju raya extravaganza, the bling, the glitters. I really love that kind of dress. But right now, semua I suka yang simple je. For my current fashion look, I really love drap punya dress. Yeah, my almari semua penuh dengan dress. This is my third baju raya from Zoe Arisa. Cantik kan? And the colour is so soft, and the clothes so sejuk. I really hope it's selesa. Yelah, you know raya, we go sana sini. So this is my second parcel. I just got it from JNT this morning. Ada baris like around 30 minutes. Dress, I'm gonna wear it on my fourth raya. Oh, I forgot to tell you that my first baju raya, kita orang dah beli, and baju tu kita orang just hantar dekat alamat Senanjung. Gonna go there too. Yeah, since my younger sister, dorang belajar dekat Ceras, dorang akan take care of the dress. Okay, this is my fourth baju raya. I mean, I'm gonna wear this on my fourth raya. It's from Fashion Wholesale. The name of this dress is Baju Kurung Bedwing, kain satin, silk premium. I told you that I really love simple look, so I fall in love with the design. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So lembut, so sejuk and so comfy. I really love this. I fall in love. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Look, I told you that I really love design yang sangat simple and sangat lembut, and this is why I bought this dress. This is the skirt, the baju. Can't wait to wear this too. Third parcel, the last parcel I guess. I really love dress. Since This year, warna baju raya punya theme a lot go for rich brown. I bought a dress in that color. I think I'm gonna wear this on my second raya. Pick one in rich brown punya color. I think it's not like rich punya brown, but it's brown. Oh my god. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, this is the dress. I got it in a size L. This is so me. Okay? Dress so lembut, so comfy. I think it's gonna be comfy sebab dia lembut punya texture. Details like flower. I really like flower. And what I like about this dress, I memang suka jenis yang ada waistband punya rubber here. It's gonna give you an extra look and a feminine look. Yeah, this is the baju. Oh, this is the belt. So cantik. I'm gonna wear this all on my Raya look, for my Raya look. So this is me unboxing my Raya haul, I guess. See you in the next clip.
The last day goes, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. One moment's forever, the next just a blink. And this the last day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Baray day! Baray night! I just arrived from airport. Hantar my sister. I'm so tired. Dia from Tawau to KL. I just tidur 1 jam je hari ni. Oh my god, I need my sleep. That's my me time and my Raya haul for this vlog. So, see you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye!